इस साइड से बस, ताकि उसका अंधेरा ना आए बाकी।
I'm here to tell you the stories from the Holy Quran, and our story is Cain and Abel. Allah created the earth and the heavens before sending Adam, Eli as-salam, and Evi, Eli as-salam to the earth. Adam, Eli as-salam, and Evi, Eli as-salam, had many children. Two of their sons were Cain and Abel. Cain was a farmer. He grew vegetables and grains. Abel was a shepherd, a keeper of goats and sheep. Abel and Cain both loved a girl and wanted to marry her. This created rivalry between them. Their father, Adam, Eli as-salam, told them to make offerings to Allah. The one whose offerings would be accepted by Allah Almighty would receive a reward. He would be allowed to marry the girl he loved. Abel chose his best goal from the flock. Cain brought a bundle of grain stalks from the field as an offering to Allah Almighty. Both waited to see whose offering would be accepted. A fire came down from the heaven and burnt up the goat completely. Nothing happened to Cain's grain stalks. Allah Almighty accepted Abel's offering and rejected Cain's. The rejection of Cain's offering made him jealous. One day he asked Abel to go for a walk. While walking, Cain asked Abel, "Why was it that your offering was accepted and mine was rejected?" Abel replied, "Allah accepts the offering of the righteous." This made Cain very angry. He attacked Abel and killed him. Cain did not know what to do with the body. He looked around in confusion. He saw a crow burying another crow. Cain buried Abel in the same way. Allah punished Cain. For the rest of his life, his foot stuck to his thigh, and his face always faced the sun.